Hi there, welcome to your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation of this very rare, highly spec'd M135i F40, eagerly awaited by BMW. This is one of their most loved and newest hot hatches. So it's 2021, rivaling the A35, A45 AMG 4MATIC and the Golf R. First entry to BMW's four-wheel drive hatchback. And when BMW do something, they do it very, very well. 2-litre twin-turbo, 4-cylinder, producing 400 brake horsepower and 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. That's comfortably. This particular model is a one-owner car, covered 10,000 miles. So one owner from brand new. Remainder of BMW warranty up until it's 3 years old. Roadside assistance and European cover as well. Really well loved by its first owner. First and only owner, I should add, and very well spec'd. The Stormblade metallic, quite hard to describe because it's nothing like it really. Some liken it to Nardo Grey in the Audi. I personally think it's a lot more rare and nicer. Silvery grey with a slight blue tinge if I was to try and describe it, but it looks absolutely awesome. This one you'll see very striking because it has the genuine BMW M Performance styling kit. Around about £3,000 option. You'll see the side flicks just here. Front splitter, and I'll show you around the rest of it. LED lights to the front. Of course, being the M135, it has the brushed champagne grille surround. The bodywork is absolutely flawless. It has a G-Technic Smart Surface coat on it, which it's had since new. Unmarked 19-inch wheels with matching Bridgestone tyres. Privacy glass, and these are the huge sidebars, which are absolutely fantastic. Sits really well. You'd think being an X-Drive, your four-wheel drive, it'd sit higher, but it sits really, really well. This is the striking spoiler we have. Again, all fitted by BMW. M Performance rear diffuser in high gloss black. Shadow line exhaust trims. Just trying to show you how gorgeous it looks from every angle. Let's take a look in the boot. Original mats. Absolutely perfect condition as well. You probably will have noticed this car has the factory sunroof, tilt and slide, currently in the slide position as part of the premium pack, which also has the electric heated memory seats. It's a lovely option. Totally agree with the first owner in not getting the leather seats because these are absolutely fantastic. Sports Alcantara with the blue stitching. There you see the lumbar support, electric memory function as well. Electric folding mirrors. And the interior lighting pack. Of course, digital dashboard, being the new model. Touchscreen navigation. Let's have a quick look. I mean, it's done 10,000 miles. The first service isn't due. Yep. First service is due January next year, or in 9,000 miles. Had its pre-delivery check. Navigation system, widescreen, Bluetooth audio, media playback. We've got the uprated Harman Kardon sound system as well. Cruise control with the collision assist, paddle shift. Of course, you can get into sport mode. Open those exhaust flaps. Sounds a little fruitier. Seats are marked, still smells and feels like new. HP and PCP available. Part exchange very welcome. Absolutely stunning car, physically in stock, ready to go. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.